Pastor Mizo, Peebles, to bring us a short message. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome. I am so glad to see all of you, so handsome looking and beautiful people gathering here. And it is so honored to have all the Mizo folks from representing all different churches gathering together for a time of worship and also celebration, education, and training. I myself came from Korea about 30 years ago, and I also understand where you are a little bit about coming to the United States and wanting to get a job, wanting to learn more about, and to make a better life for ourselves. So therefore, make yourself a home here and have a fantastic evening, and welcome.